Jazzy, and I'm back with another video. As you already know, if you are a new subscriber, please comment this emoji, and if you are already my OG subby, please comment that emoji. Also like, comment, share, and subscribe, and turn on post notification bell so you can be notified every single time I upload. As you read by the title, today's video will be me giving you guys a makeup tutorial because it has been requested a lot, and also y'all voted on my Instagram. Without further ado, let's get right into the video. I'm back, and as you can see, I did a little thing with my eyes. It looks kind of weird, but it's gonna be cute at the end. Hold on, let me fix it a bit. First part of makeup tutorial, you need to make sure that you're starting on clean skin, guys. Do not put makeup on dirty skin, come on. So you want to get a moisturizer. You want to moisturize first, and then after you moisturize, you want to add a primer. You don't I saw a post that said primers are not really that necessary, but okay, it's like this. If you have the money to buy a primer, just buy a primer. If you don't have the money to buy a primer, then don't buy a primer. Okay, so what it does is it gets rid of, not really gets rid, but it makes your pores appear a little smaller, and it kind of, you know, just shrinks the pores. Fill them in with this. So basically this, it fills in your pores so that your makeup would sit a little more smooth on your skin and not makes it look like you have like all these pores on your face. Please just ignore my ashy hands. I can't find my my cream. Anyway, so I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add the primer to my cheeks, or you can just add it to the areas that you have, you know, that your pores are mostly at. So while I'm letting that sit, I'm gonna go in with a color corrector. So as you guys see, I have acne, and I pop my acne and pick at it, so then it leaves scars on my face. It looks horrible, but what I'm gonna do now is go in with the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade orange. So what it does is it neutralizes dark tones. So the dark spots on your skin, it's gonna like cover them up on your foundation, because you know you can put on foundation and your the dark spots on your face could actually show through your foundation. You don't want that. So what you do is you go in with this orange concealer from LA Girls. LA Girls Pro Concealer, and then you put it on your dark spots. You can put as much as you want, honestly, but just put it all over your dark spots to correct. And what is this called? It's color correcting, like I said. So you go in and you put them on your dark spots. Okay, so after we color, I look crazy right now, but we ain't gonna talk about it. So after I color corrected my face, I'm gonna go in with a damp beauty blender. My beauty blender is a little bit dirty right now, but it's because I used it like just now. I'm gonna wet it with a bit of water. Make sure that you're working with a damp beauty blender, because when it's damp, it doesn't pick up the product onto the sponge and then soak up all the product, so you're just using a bunch of product, but it just makes the product glide, you know, smoothly across your face. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna go in and then you're gonna blend out the color corrector with the beauty blender. After I'm finished blending it out, you can barely see my little dark spots. We're gonna go on to foundation. So I use the Maybelline I was using the Maybelline foundation, but not the Super Stay, and I find it was, and then I finished, and then I went to the beauty supply store and I bought this one, the Super Stay, and it had a lot of people, you know, talking about the Super Stay is better, blah blah blah, but it's trash. I hate it. It's chunky and it feels like weird. I don't like the feeling on my skin, but you know, this is what I'm working with. I bought it. I wanted to throw it away, but you know, I can't be wasting my coins. And I have to put this video. My shade is 360 in mocha. It's just a tad bit dark for me. No, I'm kind of light in some areas, you know, but we're gonna use it anyway because we ain't gonna waste no coins. I use a few pumps on my face, like so. Wait, am I missing something? I feel like I'm missing a step. No, okay. So I'm gonna go in, I'm gonna do one pump, then I'm gonna go in with the beauty blender. I'm gonna spread the foundation, and then I'm gonna go in and try to blend it out. Okay, so as we're finished doing our foundation, y'all can see I look a bit red right now, giving you very much Hellboy vibes. So so what we're gonna do is we're gonna go in with concealer. We're gonna conceal on under the eyes, and I'm gonna go in with the oh my god, the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade Fawn. This is how it looks, and we're gonna conceal under the eyes. So you're gonna go in and then you're gonna put your concealer right onto the eye right here, and then you're gonna drag it up right there. And this is to elevate your face and lift your face and not let your face look a little drooped down. Then I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna highlight the bridge of my nose. Then the chin. You can put a little on your forehead, but highlighter is to bring light to places that you want the light to hit. And I don't want light hitting my forehead because my forehead is already too big and we don't want that type of attention. So I'm gonna go in again and wet my beauty blender, you know. And then I'm gonna blend out my concealer. Okay, so as you can see, we're finished with our concealer. Make sure that you blend that out properly. And then now we're gonna go in and we're gonna set our concealer. So I'm gonna use the Sasha Buttercup setting powder. This is kind of pricey. It's like $20-something. So, and you need a good setting powder, because if you don't use a good setting powder, then you're gonna get flashback, and you don't want flashback, girl. You're gonna look all ghosty, so that's not what we want. So that's why we need to get a good setting powder, okay guys? So make sure to invest in a good setting powder. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go in with a fluffy brush. Then I'm gonna go in with setting powder, and then you're gonna tap off the excess, and then you're gonna set under your eye. And I don't like to bake because that makes my face a little dry. So you're gonna set on the eye and then you're gonna brush it off. If you're not a dry skin type of person, my skin is actually combination. So I'm really oily, like under my T-zone, on my T-zone, but I just don't like when my skin is like dried out, you know? So if you're not oily skinned, you can just put the setting powder in your, push the setting powder in your skin. You can let it sit for a few minutes, like about 3 minutes, and then you can brush it off. After we're done setting, we're gonna do some contour to, you know, chisel out our face and give our face a little bit more definition. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna use the True Complexion, wait, what is this? This is the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in Dark to Deep. and this is how it looks. Mine kind of broke, but yeah. But first, I'm gonna go in with some contour by I'm gonna use the e.l.f. 16 Hour Camo Concealer in the shade Rich Ebony. And I'm just gonna use this to contour first. So you suck your cheeks in, and then you contour along the natural lines. And you can also contour your jawline, but I have a very defined jawline, so I don't need to contour there. My cheekbones is defined too, but I don't know, I just like the contour. So after that, I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna brush the contour up. You don't want to drag it downwards. You want to like tap it and tap it up. Like drag it up like this. And then what I'm gonna do is going to set the concealer with some powder, because you always want to set liquid concealer, or you always want to set liquid concealer. The powder concealer, you don't need to set that. But so I'm gonna go in and set my liquid concealer, liquid contour with some powder. So I'm gonna use this one. I'm gonna use this one from the palette, the contour shade, and I'm just gonna slightly go in, and then I'm gonna go along the legs. So you guys can see that contour. Period. I'm gonna tap. So after contouring, what I do is I go in and I contour my nose. You know, give it a little bit more depth. So what I do is I go in with the Sculpt shade. And then I contour along the lines of my nose. So after all this is done, I go in to do my highlight. And you can go in, sometimes I go in first with the highlight from the True Complexion palette, this one. I'm gonna go in with another highlighter, so I'm not gonna use a lot of this. And then you put it on your cheeks. See? Don't put a lot, because like I said, I'm going in with another highlighter. And then you put it on your cheeks like this. Okay, so after that, I'm gonna go in with another highlighter. And this is my favorite highlighter of all time because it's very pigmented. It's the Beauty Bakery Illuminator So Icy in the shade Glaze. Yeah. And this is how it looks. It's small, it's kind of tiny. And I paid $16 for this. I had it for over a year now because, I never really used it because, like I said, I stopped wearing makeup for a long time. And this highlighter is like so pigmented, guys. I'm gonna show you. Y'all see that? Yeah, it's fire. So I'm gonna go in, and I'm not gonna take too much because, like I said, it's pigmented. So I just tap on the container, pick up the excess of the container, and then I go in on my cheeks. You guys see that? So like I said, I go in. Woo! Y'all see I put like awfully a lot. We're gonna go in with setting spray. I got this. I'm gonna go in with the herbal. Wait, I actually have the Urban Decay All Nighter setting spray. I actually got this as a gift. This thing costs like probably like $20 something, and look, I'm not gonna buy a highlighter for $20 something, so I actually got this as a gift from shopping on Sephora online. But I'm not gonna use this right now because yeah, it's a good setting spray, so I'm not gonna use this right now. I'm gonna go in with the one that I bought, which was for $12 online, and it's the Milani Make It Last setting spray, the 16-hour wear. I'm gonna go in with that. I'm gonna spray a little. Okay, so guys, I went ahead and I added some lashes, and now I'm gonna do a little lip. I'm gonna do my favorite pink lip for you guys. So what I do is I go ahead with, I'm gonna go in with this, I'm gonna use my brown lip pencil. I'm gonna line my lips. And then I'm gonna go in with a nude lip. I actually bought this at like a beauty supply store. It was like $3. And it's called Nude Rose. And guys, I don't even know where it's from, but it ripped off. But anyways, I'm gonna go in with this. It's called Nude Rose. I'm gonna go in and I'm gonna add it to, you know, the middle of my lips. And that's it. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I like it, and yeah. So this is the finished look, you guys. If you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. It costs $0.00 to like, comment, and subscribe, and share. And you guys can give me video ideas if you guys can mention video ideas that you want me to do in the future. And I hope you guys like this video. And like I said, if you like this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. And thank you guys for supporting me. Thank you guys for watching. And I love you guys. I see you guys in my next video. Bye.